We're at the Crawford Market. Finally, after like a week in Mumbai, we finally made it down to this market.
Yes.
And we heard there is a lot of good food here.
Yes.
So we will hunt around and see what we can find.
Until now, we have only found clothes and stuff.
But I think we have scoped up some stuff here.
Ah, they're selling something.
Maybe we should try this one, right?
Yeah, this one looks delicious.
Hello, sir. Can we try 2 and 2?
What is it?
I don't know. Potato? Ah,
that's good. Oh, and then they're having cooking it down here.
Ah,
very nice.
Cool. Exciting.
So we are not sure what we have bought, but it looks nice.
Yes. Okay, let's try one. I think this is a potato slice.
Ah, is it potato?
Deep fried in batter.
Oh, nice.
You want to try one?
Chili.
Yeah. Not spicy at all.
Ah. And then we have these. This was a bit more mysterious, whatever it is.
We wonder what it is. I think everything is like battered and deep fried. I wonder what it is. How does it taste?
Tastes deep fried and good.
But what's inside? I'm not sure.
I have no idea. It's deep fried all the way through.
Oh, nice.
It's a really good snack.
Nice.
But just a little bit further down, we found even more food.
Hello, sir. Can we try 2? Yeah?
50 rupees, 50 rupees.
50 rupees?
20 rupees.
20 rupees?
20 rupees.
And this?
50 rupees.
Okay, can we try 1 and 1? Okay, thank you.
Very nice. Ja, 2 och 2. We can share. It's good. This is good. Ja. Jag ska komma upp nu.
Ta inte då.
Okay, one more. All right.
I like the way the potatoes like this one looks.
Yeah, it looks really good. But I think we're gonna get quite full.
Oh yeah.
Good portions.
Yeah, we just eat everything we can.
Yeah. Ah, very nice. All right, so let's see what we got here.
Taste test.
Looks like there is a lot of different stuff in this one. Oh, it's really tasteful.
Delicious.
Yeah, it's like potatoes, and we have some beans there, and some really good sauce. Delicious.
Looks delicious.
I like how they're served on these like papers and foil or something. It's really nice.
Nice.
It's good.
Well,
Delicious. Thank you very much. All right, so we have just finished up our last dish.
Oh yes.
We're starting to fill even more up.
Yeah.
But a little further down the road here, we have found some delicious food. Hello, sir. What is this? Beans. Okay, and a lot of vegetables, some sauce, and can we have one portion?
Cool. I wonder what this is. Wow. Lots of spice, I think. I wonder what this is.
We fill it in.
Oh yes. Koriander, kanske.
No. These 20. Yeah. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Looks delicious.
Oh yeah, can't wait.
We got a small piece of cardboard to eat it with as well.
Oh yeah.
Taste test.
Yes. And here we have those cool spoons.
Oh yeah, new one for us.
Yes. How is it?
Delicious.
Spicy.
It's mild.
Oh.
It's like chickpeas, potatoes, kind of mushed potatoes, mixed with a lot of different like coriander and some different spices.
Yeah, it looks delicious.
You want to try?
Yeah, it would be nice with some mild food after that chili way.
Oh yeah. It's quite good. We just finished our last meal and we continue walking and we're still hungry here. And we have found something very interesting. Hello, sir.
This is puri.
Can we try? Yeah? Can we try? Yeah?
Don't you push and out.
Looks delicious. We tried this once before.
Yeah, it's quite good. It's a lot of different stuff they used to keep inside these puri-puris. Yes, thank you very much. All right, let's try.
Cheers. Good? Nice.
Delicious.
All right.
This one is actually sweet as well.
Because the last one we tried was kind of sour, wasn't it?
Yeah, I felt so. All right. Cool stuff. It's sweet, right?
Really good.
It's very nice. Have one more. Thank you.
I guess we got 4 or 5, right?
We're getting stuff.
Love it.
Okay, so what are you selling?
Yeah, apple, mango, chiku, pineapple already.
Mango smoothie.
Mango. This is fruit.
Ah, yeah. Can we have? Yeah, more mango.
Mango, yeah.
Yeah. Very nice.
And I have different ones, right?
A mixer, apple, pineapple, and everything.
One more taste.
What?
One more taste.
Yeah, we can try one more.
Okay.
Can we try one with grapes too?
Yeah?
Yeah, one.
Yes, one.
Yeah?
One.
Yes, please.
Yeah, so you can see here they are blending in here with the fruit and also with ice inside. So it will be really nice. It's hot outside, so.
Delicious.
It looks cold.
It's really good. Yeah, very nice. Tastes
Wanna
nice.
get up?
Whoa, it's full. Oh yes. Dun, da, da, da.
Oh yeah. This is exactly what I needed. Oh, so hot outside.
Cheers to that.
Cheers to that.
Cheers to that. Cheers to that. Cheers to that. Cheers. Walking around. Dun, da, da. And today we were a little bit curious to ask one question. How do you deal with ice cubes? We're a little bit scared of it sometimes. Can we drink it? Is it normal? Anywhere? Where can we do it?
Chicken tikka.
Oh, I see a lot of food. Nom 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 nom. Ah, this is the street we should have started in, I think. Wow.
Finally I found the food market here.
Holy grail, we found it.
Oh, finally.
Boom. They have samosa and some... What is it? Should we try this? Jens is dying.
I'm stuck. This is actually one of the things I find a bit hard with this Indian market.
Yeah, because we're so wide too, so it's not that easy. Oh, the food stopped. I think we have to go back.
What?
Oh
no. But we're actually looking for food that is not meat in it.
Yeah, we're a little bit scared of the non-veg.
Yeah.
We have had a bad experience.
We had the deli belly.
Yeah, we have. So we keep looking.
Alright, you can see they have a pro deep fryer here.
Oh, that's so good.
So it's a lot of delicious deep fried food here in this street food place.
It's non-veg, but we have to.
Yeah, we have to. We didn't find the veg. But
it smells delicious.
oh yeah.
Should we try one of each? Or one of each? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Got the veg mix, he told me.
Yeah.
It looks delicious.
And is it delicious?
Oh my god, this is horrible. You should not taste it. This is for me.
yeah.
No, it's very good.
Oh,
Delicious.
this is samosa for me then. No, it's good. Delicious. Lots of taste in it.
Delicious.
Very nice. So we're walking around here at the Crawford Market, and it looks like the food is ending here.
Oh, but we have so much delicious food.
Oh yeah.
But I'm not full actually. I wish we could find even more.
But it looks like this market have mostly like items and clothes. And, yeah.
Yeah, some spice, a lot of spice. But people were really friendly and we really had a good time.
Yeah.
Anyways, I guess this is the end of the road for this one, but we will be back tomorrow for even more delicious food.
Yeah.
And maybe some cool train journey actually.
Yeah, we have a bunch of India videos coming, so make sure to subscribe.